We're at SWIS Auto Glass in Denver on North Broadway. We're getting a windshield repaired in a car today. I assume heating the glass makes that flow through the crack better?
And also, hot air rises, helps the glass escape, helps the air escape the crack in the glass.
I see, okay. Now I assume that's so as to suck the air on out when you pull that up, right?
Yeah, it creates a vacuum, and there's a purge valve here. When you push this down, you can push this lever back down, and it purges the air through here.
I see, okay. Pretty simple process, isn't it?
Oh yeah. Just try and pull it a couple different times just to make sure all the air is out, so you get a good repair.
That it?
That is about it.
We've been at SWIS Auto and Tire today on Broadway having the bullseye repaired in the windshield. Very quick and easy process. Visit any of their 5 stores throughout the Denver area. 2 in Denver, 1 in Littleton, 1 in Centennial, and 1 in Castle Rock.